2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, lane departure warning, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.